Let me show you how I did this. For the liner, I'm using this neon yellow aqua liner, water, and a liner brush. Activated the product with some water. So I'm going for like a half wing liner look. I'm gonna stop it right in the middle. With these type of liners, you have to work pretty fast because they dry out on you pretty quick. I've never tried this liner color before. I'm really loving it. For the inner corner, the idea is to draw a V shape. And it's totally okay if the V isn't as sharp because I'm gonna show you how to clean that up. Now we're gonna go with a flat brush with some water. We are going to clean up any rough edges. And I'm gonna clean up the inner corner too. Look at that. Then we're gonna add some glitter, basically everywhere. Finishing off with some white liner. And here we go.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your f***ing cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.
You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise.
You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and show you things that you